Hi, this is Hansla, and in the next 2 minutes, I'm going to show you my GitOps workflow that I built on EKS. So in this workflow, I'll edit a small front-end file, I'll push it to GitHub, and then the GitHub Actions is going to run its checks and build the image. Once the CI is done, it's going to create a small manifest bump, which will then be merged with a pull request, and that manifest will then be applied to the cluster using ArgoCD, and those changes will be deployed live.
Moving back onto our GitOps repo, we are going to make a small change on our front end file. Let's just say we're going to write in LinkedIn update, and we're going to push these changes to our repository. So testing, and we're going to push. So right now on our website, we don't have those changes. So what we're going to do is run the GitHub Actions. We'll press run workflow. This is going to run, and we can refresh this, and this will kickstart. Once it completes, it's going to give us a repository, a link to click on. We're going to open this. This is just another branch is created, and we're just going to merge this pull request. So now that it's merged, what we're going to see here in ArgoCD is that it needs to be synced. So what we'll do here is we'll go to the front end and we'll sync the deployment. And if we zoom out, you can see that the deployment, the pod has just gone down and a new pod has been recreated here with the new image tag. And if you refresh our website, you can see the LinkedIn update has been added.